Hello, welcome back to another video. Hi, if you're new, my name is Esther and it's so good to have you guys tuning in. So today's video, it is all about this beautiful unit from I Like Hair. As always, I love to share with you guys all the amazing goodies that I receive in my package in hopes you guys do receive the same thing. Now this is the unit. Now it's a little bit different than what I normally review for you guys, but I like different, and also if I've reviewed something similar to this, then it's been a while. Okay, now this is their Afro Kinky curly wig. It does come with kinky edges, which is awesome. I love the look of that, by the way, you guys. And it also comes with adjustable strap. It comes with an elastic band at the bottom that's also adjustable. So girl, you do not need to glue this unit down. I'm actually going to show you guys in this video. I glued it down, but not the whole entire head. So you can pretty much say that this is a glueless unit. Okay, so for you babes out there who don't care to glue your units down, this is actually the perfect unit for you guys to grab. Now I wanted to show you guys the lace. It is already pre-plucked and it's already bleached, so low maintenance, honey. You don't need to do much, but the only thing you need to do is probably apply your powder foundation or your liquid foundation and then set it with powder, just for it to match with your skin tone. And this is exactly what I'm doing right here. I wanted to show you guys this part. Although I always show y'all, I always like to keep this part in case somebody's new and wanted to see how I tint my lace, and this is exactly how I do it. Obviously, these are not the best scissors to cut my lace off with, but I've been moving, you guys, and a lot of things are boxed up, and these are the only scissors that I could grab, so bear with me. But I'm just cutting off this lace so we can go ahead and glue her down. Again, I did not glue her down the whole entire head. I only glued her on my sides because, you know, that part usually flops up, in my opinion, so I love to keep my units a little bit more secured. So I just grabbed my Got2b spray and I just glued that down. Now I did mention earlier that the edges are kinky texture, so this is one reason why I love this unit. It is extremely natural, which we love. It's very much low maintenance. Now it does look a little bit dry, so what I did do is I grabbed my water bottle, my spray bottle, and I added just a little bit of deep conditioner in there just to refresh the hair just a little bit. Out of all the units that I've rocked, I would say this unit in particular, it's given 4C 4B hair. Now if you love that type of texture, you're going to love this hair. You guys, I was filming this video and my mom was in the room and she's like, yeah, give me that unit once you're done reviewing it. It's mine. And I'm like, girl, seriously? It's so bomb. The quality is amazing. But I do recommend, though, when you get this unit, I recommend to take care of it because although it's low maintenance, it will need some moisture, okay? Probably get a conditioner and shampoo that is high in moisture, especially for curly hair like this hair, okay? Once you invest into a good quality shampoo and conditioner that has moisture in it, this unit is going to last you a decent amount of time because for the texture, you guys, it is beautiful. I mean, they really did that when it came to the texture. It's given so much naturalness. Now, although I'm spraying this unit down, you guys, once it dries down, it just looks so much better than, you know, obviously it's out of the box, and I never rock units when they're out of the box unless it's really like does not need no, you know, customization. But this unit just needed a little bit of moisture. But on that, you guys, yeah, this unit is just given. It's given, okay? I really love how it looked afterwards, but yeah, once it dries down, you guys, it looks stunning. I'm talking about, like, I put this unit on my stories and you guys were going wild, okay? So I see why, because she's beautiful. She's beautiful. At the end of this video, I'm going to also post like a video that I posted on my stories that I think is stunning after it like dried down and the unit just looks very nice. Now, you do not need to create a parting space when you rock this unit, okay? So I created just a little parting space. I really didn't want to go too crazy with it, but I wanted to create just a little something, but I did not want my parting space to be too long, so that's why I just created something just to be seen. And I did go ahead and apply my concealer so that it can blend in with my skin. But y'all, like, talk about them edges. Like, kinky edges will always do it for me, and I Like Hair. I've tried many units from I Like Hair, and this is probably the most kinkiest natural texture that I've gotten my hands on, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, girl, they do it all the time with the edges. The edges, they eat. Like, it looks so natural. So natural. But anyways, you guys, this is it for this review for this unit. I mean, come on, get into it, baby. Get into it. I love it. I'm gonna go ahead and link this unit in the description box. If I have any discount codes, you guys, everything will be in the description box. So definitely get your hands on this unit. She is a stunning, and yeah, add her to the cart, honey. Add her to the cart, period. All right, bye, beautiful.